Atong ana-ana. Atong ana-ana ba? Smile na pinana. Noon sa imong head, Chay? Noon sa imong hair? Na? Pau. Hi. Tabang ni Mami. Asa to imong book? Yeah, Chay. Ang book. I-point asa ang zebra. Asang zebra. Very good. Asang elephant. Asa ang pig. Ang snake. Very good. Ang rabbit. Rabbit. Narao. Rabbit. Dili na rat ha. Rabbit na. Unsa na?
Rabbit.
Sige. Okay. Unsa ni siya, Chay? What is this?
Pig.
Very good. This one.
Elephant.
This one. Chay. What's this? What's this?
Yeah.
Zebra. Very good. This one.
Snake.
Very good. This one. What's this? Look, oh. Chay.
Okay.
Very good. This one. Ay, asa to? Ito atong lesson. What's this? Asa ganito? I forgot. What's this? Thai?
Hi.
Ano ni?
Tiger.
Very good.
Nugget.
Unsa pa to ha? Forgot what was our lesson. What's this?
Mangayo.
Osa? What's this?
Mangayo.
Very good. Kangaroo.
Mangayo.
Very good. Clap dayon. Very good, Chay.
Tungkol.
Right ka no? Liwat ni Mami Lu? Asa ka liwat? Liwat ni Mami.
Sabon. Antigo. Balion. Mami.
Why man balion?